Do you know the benefits that come with being a 20% service-connected veteran? In the world of Veterans Affairs, understanding the benefits available to you is paramount. It's not just about acknowledging the sacrifices you've made for your country, it's about ensuring that you and your family are taken care of. One such category of benefits is available to those with a 20% service-connected disability. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does 20% service-connected mean? In a nutshell, it refers to the degree of disability that is a direct result of your military service. And if you fall into this category, a range of benefits is available to you, designed to improve your quality of life and provide financial and medical support. Among these benefits is a monthly disability compensation, but that's not all. You also gain access to commissaries, exchanges and morale, welfare, and recreation retail facilities, both in person and online. These benefits provide cost-saving opportunities that can significantly impact your daily living expenses. Healthcare is another critical area covered under these benefits. This includes access to VA hospitals, clinics, and medical services at little to no cost, depending on your income and other factors. And it's not just regular access. You get priority access. This means faster scheduling for appointments and treatments, and even travel allowances for scheduled appointments. And we're just scratching the surface here. There are additional benefits related to prescription medications, vocational rehabilitation and employment services, federal hiring preferences, Virginia home loans, education benefits under the GI Bill, dependency and indemnity compensation, and burial benefits. The benefits that come with being a 20% service-connected veteran are expansive and crucial. They acknowledge your service, your sacrifice, and your needs as you navigate life post-service. Now let's dive into the specifics of these benefits. First on our list is disability compensation. As we navigate through this year, 2024, it's important to understand how disability compensation operates. If you are a veteran with a 20% service-connected disability, you're entitled to a base pay rate of $338.49, regardless of whether you are single or have dependents. This is a monthly compensation that is tax-free, helping you to manage the financial implications of a service-connected disability. It's designed to compensate for the average impairment in earning capacity resulting from diseases or injuries incurred or aggravated during military service. In essence, it's a tangible acknowledgement of the sacrifices made by our brave servicemen and women. So, whether you are single or providing for a family, this benefit stands as a significant financial buffer, assisting you in your day-to-day life. This compensation can provide significant financial relief. Next up, we have commissary and exchange privileges. Veterans with a 20% service-connected disability rating enjoy the privilege of using commissaries, exchanges, and morale, welfare, and recreation retail facilities. Now, what does this mean? Basically, veterans have access to a world of savings and convenience. Commissaries, for instance, are akin to supermarkets, offering groceries and household items at cost. This alone can significantly reduce a veteran's living expenses. Exchanges, on the other hand, are retail stores carrying a wide range of products, from clothing to electronics, often at prices lower than those found in commercial outlets. And let's not forget the morale, welfare, and recreation retail facilities. These offer recreational goods and services, contributing to the overall well-being of our veterans. And the best part? These privileges aren't limited to in-person shopping. Online access to these facilities is also granted, making it even more convenient for our veterans to avail of these benefits. These privileges can help veterans save money and access necessary goods. Healthcare is a crucial benefit for veterans. As a veteran with a 20% service-connected disability, you are eligible for comprehensive medical services through the Veterans Health Administration, or VHA, which is part of the Department of Veterans Affairs. The VHA operates one of the largest healthcare systems in the world, with over 1,000 hospitals, clinics, and care facilities spread across the United States. As a qualified veteran, you can access these facilities at little to no cost, depending on your income and other factors. The health services provided by the VHA are broad-ranging, from primary care to specialized treatments for conditions like post-traumatic stress disorder and traumatic brain injury. But what sets the VHA apart is their commitment to veteran-centric care. This means that the healthcare services are tailored to meet the unique needs of veterans, taking into account their service history and potential health issues related to their time in the military. Now, let's talk about priority healthcare. As a 20% service-connected veteran, you are given priority when it comes to scheduling appointments and treatments at VHA facilities. This means less waiting and quicker access to the care you need. And it's not just about getting an appointment faster, it's about getting the right care, at the right time, in the right place. This can make a significant difference, especially for veterans dealing with chronic conditions or requiring regular treatments. In addition to this, veterans may also receive a travel allowance for scheduled appointments for care at a VA medical facility or VA-authorized healthcare facility. This can be a significant help in ensuring that you can access your appointments and treatments without worrying about the costs of travel. In conclusion, the healthcare benefits available to veterans with a 20% service-connected disability are comprehensive and designed with the specific needs of veterans in mind. From access to a wide range of medical services at little to no cost, to priority scheduling and travel allowances, these benefits go a long way in ensuring the health and well-being of our nation's heroes. Good healthcare is crucial, and these benefits ensure veterans have access to it. Prescription medications and VR&E services are two more key benefits. And these aren't just any benefits, they can significantly alter the quality of life for our veterans. Let's start with prescription medications. Now, we all know how the cost of medications can add up over time. It's a concern that many people, not just veterans, grapple with. But the good news for veterans with a 20% service-connected disability is that they may be eligible for prescription medications provided by the Veterans Affairs, or VA, at little to no cost. This means that the essential medications you need could be made more accessible, easing your financial burden and ensuring that your health is well taken care of. Now let's switch gears and talk about vocational rehabilitation and employment services, also known as VR&E services. It's no secret that transitioning back to civilian life can be challenging. Finding a job or deciding on a new career path can be daunting tasks. But veterans, you're not alone in this. The VR&E services are here to assist you. These services include career counseling, where you can receive expert advice and guidance tailored to your skills and interests. This can help you make informed decisions about your career path and set you on a path to success. Education and training programs are also available, providing you with the opportunity to learn new skills or enhance existing ones. This could open up a whole new world of job opportunities for you. But that's not all. VR&E services also offer job placement assistance. This means they don't just help you prepare for a job, they help you get one too. And if you've ever dreamed of starting your own small business, guess what? There's support for that as well. These services are designed to empower you, to help you transition smoothly into civilian life, and to ensure that you have the tools you need to succeed in your chosen career. So whether it's easing the financial burden of prescription medications or providing career support, these benefits have got you covered. These services can significantly improve the quality of life for veterans. Let's talk about the 10-point veteran preference, Virginia home loans, and education benefits. Starting with the 10-point veteran preference. This is a benefit given to veterans when applying for federal jobs. In essence, it's a preferential boost to your application. So if you've served your country and are now looking to serve the public sector, this can be a very useful advantage. It's a way for the government to recognize the skills, discipline, and dedication that military service instills. Next, let's move to VA home loans. These are loans backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, designed to help veterans, active service members, and certain surviving spouses become homeowners. The VA home loan benefit is a powerful tool that can make homeownership more attainable. With no down payment required, competitive interest rates, and no private mortgage insurance, it can save you a significant amount of money. Plus, the VA funding fee, which is typically required on these loans, can be waived for veterans with a 20% service-connected disability. This could potentially save you thousands of dollars. Now, let's dive into education benefits. Veterans with a 20% service-connected disability may be eligible for benefits under the GI Bill. This can include tuition assistance, housing allowances, and other financial support for higher education or vocational training. The GI Bill can cover a wide range of educational programs, from traditional university degrees to non-college degree programs, apprenticeships, and on-the-job training. This could be your path to a new career, a promotion, or simply expanding your knowledge and skills. Remember, the GI Bill is not a one-size-fits-all program. It's designed to be flexible, to meet the unique needs and goals of each individual veteran. You can use it to pursue a degree, learn a trade, or even start your own business. And if you're not sure where to start, the VA also offers career counseling to help you find a path that's right for you. So whether you're aiming to land a federal job, buy a home, or further your education, these benefits can significantly ease your journey. The 10-point veteran preference can give you an edge in the job market. VA home loans can make home ownership more affordable, and the GI Bill can open doors to new educational opportunities. Being a veteran comes with a unique set of challenges, but also a unique set of benefits designed to help you overcome those challenges. These benefits are a way for the nation to say thank you for your service and to continue supporting you as you transition to civilian life. These benefits can provide significant support in various aspects of life. Last but not least, we have dependency and indemnity compensation, or DIC, and burial benefits. These are two critical areas of veteran benefits that are often overlooked, but they hold significant importance for service-connected veterans and their families. Let's start with dependency and indemnity compensation. This is a monetary benefit paid to eligible survivors of military service members who died in the line of duty, or eligible survivors of veterans whose service-connected disability was the cause of their death. Now, you might ask, who are these eligible survivors? They can be dependent spouses, children, and in some cases, parents. If you have dependents, it's worth familiarizing yourself with the intricacies of DIC benefits, because in the unfortunate event of your passing, these benefits could provide a vital financial lifeline to your loved ones. Turning now to burial benefits. It may not be the most cheerful topic, but it's a necessary one. As a veteran, you may be eligible for specific burial benefits, including interment in a VA national cemetery. This includes the gravesite, the opening and closing of the grave, and perpetual care. In addition, a government headstone or marker, a burial flag, and a presidential memorial certificate are provided at no cost. These benefits are not just limited to the veterans themselves, but can also extend to their spouses and dependent children. This means that in the most difficult of times, your family can take some comfort in knowing that your service to your country is recognized and honored, and that they too will be cared for. It's a lasting legacy of the respect and gratitude that our nation has for its veterans. While it's not pleasant to think about, it's important for veterans to know about these benefits. Understanding what you're entitled to can make a world of difference, not just for you, but for your family as well. Remember, you've earned these benefits through your service, and you should make the most of them. Let's recap what we've covered today. We started by discussing disability compensation, a crucial benefit providing a base pay rate of $338.49 for those with a 20% service-connected disability as of 2024. This is applicable for single veterans, with or without dependents. Next up, we dove into the world of commissary and exchange privileges. This access to commissaries, exchanges, and morale, welfare, and recreation retail facilities, both in person and online, can be a real game changer. We then explored healthcare benefits, which provide access to VA hospitals, clinics, and medical services at little to no cost, depending on income and other factors. Coupled with priority healthcare, veterans can receive expedited scheduling for appointments and treatments, including a travel allowance for scheduled appointments. Prescription medications also play a vital role, with eligibility for prescriptions provided by the VA at little to no cost. We also covered vocational rehabilitation and employment services, which include career counseling, education and training programs, job placement assistance, and support for starting a small business. We then discussed the 10-point veteran preference in federal hiring and delved into the benefits of VA home loans, including access to VA-backed home loans with favorable terms like no down payment and competitive interest rates, plus a waiver of the VA funding fee for the home loan. Education benefits under the GI Bill were next, offering tuition assistance, housing allowances, and other financial support for pursuing higher education or vocational training. Lastly, we touched on dependency and indemnity compensation benefits, which can be crucial if disability is determined to be the cause of a dependent's death. We rounded up with burial benefits, including burial in a VA national cemetery, a headstone or marker, and burial flags. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding these benefits can greatly improve the quality of life for veterans and their families.